channel. So today I'm going to be starting this WORX intro, I think. WORX electric lawnmower. It might not even start because on the power tester gauge, look, it only has one more. And this battery is not showing any lights. This battery is not showing any lights. I'm going to be starting it. The glass is kind of long, so it might interfere with the blades. So, raise it just for this video. Or probably 5 inches is good. Okay, so now push this in and put your handle down. So guys, well that's the battery dead. Look at that. That's good, it has one more symbol. Let me try again. Yeah, it's out of battery. It's dead. So, David's Cars and Machines on YouTube.